Okay, so after you purchase the digital file from the local King's online store, you will, after the payment, you will receive two email. One email is with the order number, another email is this download information. So you're going to click this download information email. You're going to scroll down. You're going to see here have a green barcode, not green bar, green bar. You write down, click here to download. So you're going to click here and then it will bring you to a page like this. You write down the download page, order AB, whatever. And then here have a little iCloud. And then here you can see is a link. Click here to download. Once when you click here to download, you will see it will bring you to my Google Drive, and then you can see there's a 2D, there's 3D, and there is instruction. So the instruction, you can just download it and print it, and then it will just help you, give you some information. And then for the 2D and 3D card, you want to download it, save in your computer. So I am not a PC user, I'm a Mac user. So how to download it is just click these three little dots, and then see here's the download, and then here three little dot, you just click it and then it will download. So you're going to download all the things that you are going to need it, and then you can close your page, your pages, and then you can go to your download file. So I already download these three, right? So I create to show you guys better. So I create a folder on my desktop. It's just easier to show you. So I'm going to open my Local Kings Digital. I'm going to select these three, drag to my digital folder. So later on, I want to upload to the machine, and my file is here. So it's so easy to find. So the 2D one comes with 3 pages. Okay. So the 2D folder comes with the 2D pages come with 2D design. It comes with 3 pages. 3D comes with four pages. So this is 2D and that's 3D. So this is my folder. So here you can even just create another folder. Write down Pentagon car. And then so you are going to just grab put it inside this folder. So maybe later on if you have more cards, it's easy to find. So this is about the upload and this is about download and the upload, and I'm going to continue this is downloaded and then save on your folder, and then now I'm going to show you how to upload it to your machine. Okay, so once after we download it, we are going to open our QuickCut design space. This QuickCut design space is free. When you purchase the machine, you just go to their website. You are going to open an account and then open a and then download this app. This is an awesome design space. I really enjoy as a designer. I actually use this a lot. Once when you get used to understand the principle, this is really useful. So they already come with some shape. For example, you want to make this heart shape car. It's very easy. They have some template, but you have to pay for using those images, and they have some text. Some of them is free, like a basic one is free, but most of them you have to pay. Okay, so I am going to, today we're not going to talk about too many those kind of detailed stuff. I'm going to just focus on how you're going to upload your image to your machine now. So we are going to just start a new, we're going to just, this is just untitled project. We're going to just upload the image. So you click the upload here, upload image, and then here it shows the upload image. There's a JPEG file, PNG file, GIF, SVG, blah, blah, blah. Too many different kind of files, right? The PNG is the file that if you want to print, but today we're not going to talk about PNG. We're going to talk about SVG. SVG file is just the cutting file, okay? So all the Local Kings digital file, for those kind of frame, 3D card, they are saving in the SVG file. So we're going to double click my file, and then I'm going to open, let's try the 2D. So the 2D, and then I have a 1, 2, 3 pages. So I'm going to just do, I don't think so they let me do 3 together, just one at a time. So you click that one, you click continue upload, voila, that's your page 1. I'm going to do the page 2. So you're going to upload, browse. Oh, so yeah, you can do the browse, or you can just drag. So page 2, I'm going to do 2, upload. Okay, and I'm going to do the page 3. Okay, so I have my page 3. I'm going to just make my screen a little bit smaller, so you can see my page 1, page 2, and the page 3. Okay, so in your folder, after you download it, there is a instruction, like a PDF sheet. You can see instruction for making a Snowball 3D card. You need 3 pieces of these, 1 piece of these, and then here is the color code. Once when you remember this color code for my coming product, they will be all the same. So the black is always the basic layering, the light blue is the backing, the red is offset, the purple is clear acetate or is the window, the orange is under mount, is like just 3 pieces. Oh, the gray one, I didn't say, the gray one is for the insert or the support. And then here is kind of give you information where you're supposed to do the scrolling, and then pretty much all the information you need. Okay, and then I am actually going, there is, so when you purchase this product, go to the product. Okay, for example, this pentagon shape, right? And then under the description, they have please watch a assembling video, please watch the how to uploading video, and then make sure you subscribe Local Kings YouTube channel. So you can just click the assembling video, so they will bring you to the YouTube to show you the step-by-step how to assembling the project. Yeah, so just make sure you check it out. Yeah. Okay, so I have my front card, I mean the basic card, the folding card. I have my blue card is the backing. The red card is a little bit of the what's that called? The offset. And I have this blue one. So in my last video, I briefly talk a little bit about the coloring. So that's just do give you a little bit refreshment again. So first I am click this one. I'm going to hide it. See here I have a little eye, and I'm going to click this one. I'm going to, so here is going to be highlighted. I'm going to hide it, and then I have this black one. I am going to change the color here so you can see they are just the black line, right? So now I'm going to send it to the, that's don't save it yet. I'm going to just send it to machine, say, okay, I'm going to make it. So all the cards I designed, it will fit the 8.5 by 11 cardstock letter size because I found out this is the most common size. I don't want to make like a 12 by 12 or the irregular size. So I'm using the 8.5 by 11. That's the most easy one. So you can you can put your cardstock horizontal, or you can rotate it, put the vertical. Is totally depend on what you like. And you can see on the left there is only one page. Okay, so I'm going, and then you just click continue, and then they will connect to the machine. I love this one because you have a choice. You want to do the USB or you want to do the Bluetooth, anything you like. And then I already select my post board. This is a double cutting, so I'm using 110 pounds cardstock. They can cut through no problem. Okay, so and then you just click your you load your mat and then click the cut and it will cut. Okay, that's cancel it, and then we are going to talk about I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so now this is my base card, right? I'm going to hide it, and then I am going to bring my, okay, so this purple is the window one. Same thing, you are going to just click make, and then you can see this circle is probably around 5.5 wide. And then my acetate, the acetate I'm selling on my store is around the 5 by 6. So just make sure the size of your paper or acetate, it will is big enough to cover this part. And then in the back, those grid is very, very useful. Help you, for example, if later on I want to color the multicolor, I can use these little square to cut at one time. So we're going to talk about that. Okay, in my coming video. So now we have no problem with this one. See the purple color when you select cut. So on the left, they show the purple color. So each color indicates the one color paper you are going to use. That's why I really love this machine, because they are very thoughtful. So now I have at least 3 pieces, right? To be able to make layering. So there is the full size backing, and then there is the offset insert, and there is another offset. So when you upload this image to your machine, you can see they all glued together, right? So maybe when I make a 2D card, I don't really need this blue one. So I'm going to do right click, I'm going to do ungroup. So now I can remove all these 3 pieces. So what happened when I do make? When I do make, you can see each color indicate the one color paper you have to use. But I don't need to print 3 different kind of paper. I'm doing all white or doing all blue. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I don't need this part. I'm going to just hide it. When you hide it, the machine will not read, we won't read it. So what I'm going to do is I only color these 2. But I don't want to use 2 color. I want them to both the same color. So here's something else you can do is you can actually copy it, Control C, Control V, so you can duplicate this one. But I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete it. So now I have these 2 pieces. I want to cut the white, or if you want to use a different color, but because it's only a small piece and I'm too lazy to change the mat and paper. So what I'm going to do is, if I want at least one different color, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this gray to guiding. So I put this piece are between 1 to 6, and the first 2 inches I put it here, and then this one I am going to put between 2 to 8, and then I'm going to select them and then attach them. So when I attach them, they become only one color, so I can kind of cheat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do make. Okay, let me do the different color. You can see. Let me turn off my phone. Okay, so that's to do a little bit lighter color. You can see better. Okay, so let's do make. Okay, so now when I make, right, and then you can see I can put these from 0 to 2, 6 here. This section I can use a yellow cardstock, and then from the 2 to 8 I can put another piece of color cardstock, so that way you can cut the 2 color at the same time. So don't worry if it's a little bit complicated. I will explain a little. I will explain later. So now I can right click, and then I want to undetach them. So I click this right side button, and now they are not attached. Okay, so detach or detach or attach. So now I don't need this piece. I am going to just hide it. And this one, I'm going to show you just in a second. What I do is I don't want to use a white cardstock. I actually want to use a pattern paper. So I can use a pattern paper too. So I just make sure from 0 to 6. So the size of these is, you can see here is the size of 5.28 by 4.8. So you are going to, you can put a piece of the pattern paper here, and then you can actually cut off the pattern paper, which I'm going to do in my step-by-step video. I actually use the snowflake pattern paper. Okay, so we're going to continue. Okay, I found out that USB is they have a Bluetooth, which is awesome. So I'm going to use a USB pretty fast, and I already select a poster board, the material, and I just have to load my map and then click start. So that's, and then I'm going to cancel this. Okay, so cancel it. Okay, so now I'm going to open all the eyes here. So here. So all these pages are here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you can save it. So I'm going to say Snowball 2D. Okay, I'm going to save it. So next time when you want to use it, you don't have to download again. So next time when you want to looking for your car, you just click my stuff. See, here is all the cards that I have upload to the Cricut, and then when I want to use it, I will just click that one, and then it's ready to use.